Okay, everyone, Merry Christmas Eve from Clark's Place.
Yes.
We wanted to get out a video because everybody wants to wake up Christmas morning and have a new video from Clark's Place. So
Yeah.
we're not going to disappoint this year. If you've seen our other video about Burp the Motor, which I'll put a link in the corner up here, we had a couple issues with this. Pops can kind of talk about it a little more than I can. You experienced it more than I did.
Yeah, the radiators has this bracket that kind of grabs the radiator on both sides. But it's clear down here at the top. So you can see the water, the engine's up higher. The radiator needs to be about this high, like
Whoa.
it would be in a car. So he brought some scrap pieces of metal home. We're going to cut these off and add these. So it's going to make it about this high.
I think so. I
Yeah.
think I'm going to hack it like here, hack it there, weld those in, and then all the controls will be up here.
Yep.
Then we can raise those mounts all the way up to where maybe the radiator will flow out and down into
Right.
the motor instead of traveling up to the motor, which I don't think I'd
Right.
like to do.
I mean, we burped it and it worked, but
You burped it. Mine, for some reason, mine just went fine with
Yeah.
the radiator being low. But that's
I don't
because
know
I
how.
follow instructions and do things the right way. And you just
Yeah.
wing it. You just wing everything.
true.
So, Merry Christmas. Hope you enjoy.
Yep, Merry Christmas.
And you'll see us cut and hack and weld and grind. And we may even spray paint it. All in this video.
Maybe.
We'll see.
Cool.
Should be a short and sweet one.
All right. Okay, we just measured up 24 inches and got this one cut. And then we're going to measure up again, but the two pieces we're inserting are identical in size.
Never
So-
pieces.
We could have one there. We could cut this one down here. It's going to shove both of them up the same thing. So
We're pretty smart here at Clark's
we just
Place.
decided
Merry
don't-
Christmas.
we don't need, we can just get about the same and cut it. And we ground all these off because it's powder coated. Because you got to have the door. We'll grind both sides of these too. So, okay. We'll
Cut it out, Clark.
cut it again.
Look at that. We told you we didn't even get the spray paint out for this. This is a holly jolly Christmas. Well, you can't even tell where we've been
You can't even tell we've been there.
unless you open your eyes. Then you can tell.
Oh, if you got up there and smelled it, you could smell the fresh paint.
Probably, yeah.
And there you have it. We just upgraded our run stand.
To where you just have to be 6'5" to read the gauges as the engine's
Down
running.
on my tiptoes, I can see it. We got to get something put over this because we're getting dust all over our dashboard.
Yeah. Okay.
Now our cords won't reach for the battery. We're
Yeah,
gonna
we gotta
build a stand for our battery. Merry Christmas.
Happy holidays, everyone. Oh,
Yep.
I'm not even in the frame there.
Well, there you go. Now
Too
you're.
tall.
Happy
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year, everyone.
Yep.
Ah.